Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and...
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's the one and only Mimi, and today we're gonna do like a little short mini hair tutorial. Right now my hair is kind of out of this little wave situation going on that I had before, so I'm just brushing it out, making sure that any knots or tangles or whatever are out of my hair. Not that there aren't any in my hair. Sleep on me, done that. But yeah, I'm just taking this big paddle brush and I'm brushing throughout my hair. I previously deep crimped my hair, so that's what the little crimps are you seeing in my hair. So yeah, I am just going to be doing some loose, messy waves because I'm in that type of mood. So right here, I'm using this anti-breaking serum by Organics. It's the coconut one, and I absolutely love Organics products. I highly suggest you go out and get at least one product by Organics. Okay, like, it is a miracle. So I'm just putting all that throughout my hair. What this is going to do is help, like, not that there will be any breakage or anything, but it was also going to act like a little heat protectant and help make the hair fluffy and soft, but without weighing your hair down or making it feel oily or greasy. That's why I like Organics products. So I'm taking this, I think it's a 1-inch curling iron, and I'm going to be curling my hair. So I'm taking like medium sections of this hair and I'm just wrapping it around the curling iron like a wand iron, because I didn't really want curls or like the regular curls that a curling iron would make. So yeah, I'm just wrapping it around. Woo! So because I do want a messy, effortless look, I am going to be brushing it out a little bit, just so it can, you know, be like a beach wave type of effect or something like that. Nothing too uniform. So yeah, you guys, this is kind of the end result or the final look of this type of hair tutorial. I really wanted something effortless, wanted something kind of messy. So yeah, this is not uniformed or anything like that, and I think it looks pretty good at the end. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.